Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to view locked chats on WhatsApp. Curious? Let's get started. First, make sure your WhatsApp is up to date. This ensures you have the latest features at your fingertips. Next, locate the Chats tab on your screen. Here, all your conversations are listed, including the hidden ones. To unlock, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. This opens the menu where you'll see Archive Chats. Here, you'll find all locked chats. Tap and hold any chat you wish to unarchive, and select the option to unlock. And there you go. Your locked chats are now visible. Enjoy reconnecting with your conversations safely. Remember, keeping your app updated is crucial. This not only enhances security but also ensures smooth operation. With these simple steps, accessing your locked chats is a breeze. Don't forget to share these tips with friends. For more tips on WhatsApp features, subscribe to our channel. Stay informed and connected. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide was helpful. See you next time.